Scotland to come and win the 100-metre final. That's that's good going.
It's his name that's on the record books. You can say coulda, woulda, shoulda, if, but, what, you know. He's got it, and he's done it. And he deserves it.
He was this incredible diver that won a gold medal in '84, which was in front of an American crowd.
He was out and out one of the best divers in the world.
Yeah, he was as good as it gets. But in 1988, Greg Louganis lost his head.
Ooh. He's misjudged it. He's banged his head on the board. That's got to hurt, hasn't it?
This kid's face says it all. Greg Louganis could surely not survive. The Olympics were over. Not really. He doesn't do diving. He does diving. And incredibly, he and his very sore head went on to achieve Olympic glory.
The crowd are on the pitch.
2 days later, with stitches, he goes on and wins the gold medal. How hardcore is that?
Is there any other athlete who could come back so quickly from such an injury and win a gold medal? He's Iron Man.
If I'd stubbed my toe on that board, I'm never going near one again. He gets up and he wins the gold. Brilliant.
Greg Louganis, an Olympic hero and head and shoulders above the rest.
The 1984 Olympic Games, American style.
Yeah, land of the free, home of the brave, and in 1984 hosted the greatest ceremony ever seen.
A warm welcome from the citizens of California.
LA marked a huge change in the scale and drama of opening ceremonies. There were dancing girls, 84 grand pianos, and even a flipping rocket.
Rocket Man had nothing to do with the Olympics at all. It was just something amazingly cool.
Just comes out of nowhere and flies around for a bit, and then that thing wasn't carrying the flame, wasn't carrying the baton, wasn't like a Rocket Man relay. He was just one Rocket Man on his own.
And if that wasn't enough, how about an inspirational hand-holding sing-along with this one?
We can change things if we start giving. Why don't you?
They cut to Paris, there were French people holding hands. They cut to a windmill in Rotterdam, people holding hands.
And then there was us outside Windsor Castle in kilts.